In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to deactivate your Windows 10 product license. So if you want to replace the license or if you want to transfer it to a different computer, if you're using a retail copy of Windows 10, this tutorial will be for you. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So just to show you guys, my version is activated. Let me just go over to settings here and then update and security. And then if I go underneath activation, you can see my current version is activated. So in order to remove the key, all you have to do is head over to the start menu, type in CMD. Best match should say command prompt. You want to right click on it and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to left click on yes. Now I'm going to have a command in the description of the video. I want you to copy it, and once it's in your clipboard, you want to go up to the top bar right here of the command prompt or command line window, right click, left click on edit, and then left click on paste. Once it's in exactly how it appears on my screen, you want to hit enter. And you're more than welcome to type it in as well if you choose to do that as your preferred method. And you should get a little Windows script host pop up that says uninstalled product key successfully. Left click on OK. If you close out of the command line window, and then if we went back into settings, you can see Windows is not activated, but if we went back to the other screen we were at as well, you can again see by just going underneath activation that Windows is not activated. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.